Hey Dans, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Precious aka Don Corleone. Please do not make it your last. Go ahead and click that subscribe button to come join the Don Gang because it's lit over here. If you are a returning subscriber, you're an OG, you know the vibes already. I know some of you have probably thought of starting a YouTube channel, or you have already gone ahead to create your YouTube channel, but you do not have the least idea about what type of content to put out there that will help your channel to grow. And I'm here to help you with 20 popular YouTube ideas that will help you to kickstart, grow, and eventually blow up your channel. If this video comes in handy, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let's get right into it. First off, before I start spilling this tea, before you sit down in front of the camera to film your video and whatnot, you have to make sure that you are exuding some amount of confidence, that you are friendly with your camera, you're not on camera being all fidgety, and you need to make sure that you are loud enough, you're audible enough. When someone clicks on your video, something about you must be able to retain their attention. Is it the way you speak? Is it the way you're composing yourself? Is it the way you're looking? Your hair is done, your nails are done, you have your makeup on right? Something, just something about you is going to draw them in, you know. So you need to get it together before you come on camera, because I might list these ideas and then you are not putting it out there in a way that will draw people's attention, and then yeah, it might not really help you. And also, having a great thumbnail goes a long way into pushing your videos. Like, your content might be nice, but then your thumbnail might not be as inviting. So someone could just be scrolling on YouTube and then they happen to bump into you on their discover page, and the thumbnail is just giving them they're just going to go ahead and swipe up. So you need to make sure that your thumbnail is inviting, and then when they click on that video, you as a person or something about you is just keeping them glued to the screen until they finish watching your video. They won't even know. You get what I mean?
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Number one, you have pranks. Everybody loves pranks. Like, if you pull it off right and then it doesn't also look staged, you know, because sometimes these people be acting. But then yeah, if you pull off a very good prank, it's going to draw attention, it's going to get you views, people are going to come in and watch because they're being entertained. And of course, nobody's going to tell you that they don't love a few minutes of laughs. Number two, skincare routines. For some reason, people really love skincare routines. They love to see what you put on your skin, how you get your skin to be glowy, how you get your skin to be so clear. People want to be plugged onto those type of things. Like, do you do scrubs, do you use moisturizer, and all those things. So people like to hop onto that and see how they can get their own skin better. So yeah. Third, we have the story time. I actually did a story time like last month on my channel and it did quite well. So yeah, people like tea, people like gossip, people like to know what's going on with other people. Basically, people do not really mind their business. So yeah, when you do interesting story times, interesting, emphasis on interesting, because you can't just come on there and you're just being boring or you're just babbling on and on with something that does not have an end. Honestly, if your story is catching, it's interesting, it's definitely going to get you that engagement that you are looking for. Number four, we have how-to videos. This comes in a whole bouquet, honestly, because you can put out videos on how to, I don't know, fix your own nails, how to fix lashes, how to do your makeup, how to do soft glam makeup, how to do your hair, how to make a YouTube intro, how to make a YouTube video, how to film a YouTube video, how to edit pictures, how to do this, how to... There's a lot of how-tos, and people are constantly searching for how to do one or two things on YouTube. So this is an evergreen idea. This is something that once you put it out there, people will definitely always come across your video because they are looking for ways to solve one problem or the other. Number five is get ready with me videos. People love to see how you are getting ready to go somewhere, how you put on your makeup, what scent you wear, what fit you're going to put together. And you can also pair your get ready with me with a story time, or you could do a get ready with me chit chat. You're just answering questions or just saying something, giving your opinions on a particular topic or something like that. Number 6, we have what's on my iPhone. This is one of the videos that did exceedingly well on my channel. People want to see how you arrange your widgets. People want to see how you arrange your apps on your phone, your background picture, your lock screen. People even tend to get nosy. They can want to ask you to see like personal stuff on your phone. This video in particular goes a long way. It does very well. So yeah, definitely put that in your list of content ideas. Number 7, we have the Q&A videos, question and answer videos. These videos are, I would really suggest this in like the earlier parts of your YouTube journey. My first YouTube video was actually a get to know me tag. You're basically answering questions that you have put out to your audience on maybe another social media platform. Along the line, you could do updated Q&As, but like that's when you've gotten a platform or you've gathered an audience that actually care and want to know more about you. For number 8, we have clothing haul or outfit videos or styling videos, whatever you would want to do with that. But yeah, people love to see you try on new clothes. People love to get plugged to outfit ideas, how they could put 1 or 2 outfits together for different occasions. It could be dinner, it could be winter outfits, it could be summer outfits, whatever. You can really get creative with that. But yeah, clothing hauls is a very good video idea and it has done well on my channel as well. 9, we have rate your outfit videos. This is a very fun video to do and you could do it with anybody. Your boyfriend could rate your outfits, your girlfriend could rate your outfits, your female friends, your male friends, your uncle, your auntie, your mom, your dad, your siblings. Honestly, there is a list of people that could do this for you. So rate your outfit videos. Just rate your outfits. 10, we have cook with me or cooking videos. This could be you like trying new recipes for the first time, trying to teach your audience how to cook a particular type of thing, trying to cook something without a recipe. But these videos do well. These videos teach people a lot and it could also be fun and entertaining as well. Number 11, we have vlogs. Me personally, I love vlogs so much. Like, I just get carried away and they're very great for audience retention, especially long vlogs. I just feel like it's really fun to watch people just do stuff, you know, and you can experience whatever they're doing from your screen. It could be travel vlogs, your daily vlog, weekly vlog, weekend vlogs, whatever. But yeah, just make sure you try to add vlogging to your list. Number 12, we have the trying stuff for the first time videos. This is basically you trying stuff for the first, like very first time. I have a video where I tried Brazilian waxing for the first time and it did really well. So you could do that. You could try eating a type of food for the first time. You could try wearing something for the first time. You could try going somewhere by yourself for the first time. It could be getting a tattoo, getting a piercing. Honestly, the spectrum is very wide, but this is very entertaining to watch and people mostly always want to see the end results. So yeah. 13, we have morning and night routines. Honestly, I wouldn't really watch morning and night routines from like random people. Once again, I feel like this is the type of video that you can do when you've gathered an audience that follows you and you have unique viewers that keep coming back for whatever content you drop and are willing to know more about you. But morning and night routines, for the people that I follow religiously on YouTube, I always love to watch what they are doing in the morning when they wake up, or what they do when their day ends, how they like to wind down and relax. Number 14, we have one of my absolute favorite, the mukbang video. I don't know if it's mukbang or mukbang, but it's so satisfying to watch people try out new food or just eat while they are chit-chatting or sharing opinions, or honestly just eating and doing whatever. 15, we have the reaction videos. You could react to basically anything. Honestly, you could react to your old photos, you could react to assumptions, you could react to music videos. But for the music videos, I honestly don't know if they make money off of those videos because of the whole copyright thing. If there are ways to react to videos and make money off it, you can check YouTube as well. I'm sure there are videos for that. I honestly don't know. Number 16 is the IG followers controlling your life for a whole day video. This video is very entertaining to watch as well. I've loved the ones that I have watched. I'm yet to do this on my channel, but yeah, I would love to do it because some of these followers really they have a lot in store for you, and people mostly always watch it to see how it turns out or what your followers are going to ask you to do. 17, we have the hair reviews. Hair reviews, you know what I'm saying. If you're into getting your bundles, making your wigs, getting a wig done, like doing your installs, sewings, you should definitely do a hair review because most people come on YouTube to do their research before buying a particular type of hair. So you'll be helping people and putting them onto what they need to know before buying a particular type of hair or going for a particular set of bundles. People want to know the density, the quality, does it shed like this color when you wash it, does it all come off, or just basically stuff like that. Number 18, we have the room makeover videos. Honestly, it's very nice to see rooms go from this to that, literally from 0 to 100, and people like to watch that. And you're also putting people onto stuff that they can get if they want to do the same thing for themselves, or if they want to decorate their rooms, where you got this furniture, where you got this rug, where you got this, I don't know, painting. Number 19, we have the public interviews. Honestly, sometimes this can really go left, but most of the time it's very funny and entertaining. I really like to watch the ones where people go around asking people how to spell a particular type of word or define what a particular type of word means, and it's the ghetto out there in those streets because some people really act like they know, but they don't. They have the least idea about what you're asking them. But yeah, public interviews and public pranks is definitely a video idea that will put your channel out there. And our 20th video idea is the unboxing video. People love unboxing videos for some reason, but those do numbers. Unboxing my, let me say, iPhone 12 Pro for the first time, unboxing my Canon camera for the first time, unboxing my MacBook for the first time. And like, unboxing is not just opening it up. Of course, you're going to show them how it looks. You're going to talk about like the specifications. That's it for this video, guys. I really hope that I've been able to convince you that this YouTube thing is really not that hard and you can get off your ass today and start filming something. I've given you the ideas. You probably have the tools at hand, so I don't know what you're waiting for. Go and get it. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't take 2 seconds. It doesn't cost a cent. Subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up because it helps to push my video, my content, and my channel out there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.